Question 9. Show that the sum from 2 to infinity of 3/4 to the power n cos 180n degrees is equal to 9/28 for 3 marks. So this is a sum to infinity of a geometric series. So I'm going to start looking in my formula booklet, and I'm going to bring out my sum to infinity, which is equal to the first term divided by 1 minus my common ratio, where my common ratio has a modulus less than 1. So considering this 3/4 n cos 180n, if n were 1, this would be 3/4 of cos 180, which would be negative 3/4. When n is 2, that is 3/4 squared cos 360, which is 9/16. And so the first term of this sequence is negative 3/4. The next term is 9/16. And so I can find the common ratio by taking this second term and dividing it by the first. So my common ratio is 9/16 divided by negative 3/4, which is negative 3/4. Now I can use my sum to infinity formula, because my a, the first term of this sequence, is when n is 2, so the first term is 9/16. I have just found my common ratio to be minus 3/4, and I can substitute them now into my sum to infinity formula, which gives 9/16 over 1 minus 3/4, which does indeed work out to be 9/28. And so we have shown that this sum is equal to 9/28.